Hello viewers, welcome to watch100.pk official YouTube channel. Viewers, in this video we are going to review one of new Casio ladies watch in black leather strap and black analog dial. It's a classic Casio design analog watch with the date option on the dial, and it's a ladies watch. It's in black leather strap. It's a soft leather, as you can see, and this is the complete length from the sides, from the back side. Stainless steel back, which gives this watch water resistance protection. It's a new Casio watch and the model number is LTP V002L 1B3. That's a new variation in this series, LTP V002L. It's in full black, as you can see, and the dial is also black analog dial, and on the 12 and 6 hours you can see a Roman marking. And this is the middle knob. With this middle knob you can change the date. So you can change the date with this middle knob, and also the time. So here it's a classic Casio watch, dress watch for ladies, and the dial is also small. So here we will check the weight of this watch in gram. It's a lightweight watch, and also the diameter of the dial. So let's check the weight of this watch first in gram. So it's a very lightweight watch. 23.3 gram is the total weight. So it's pretty light watch to wear. So let's check the diameter of the round dial in millimeter. So it is around 25 mm. Around 24.9, approximately 25 mm is the round dial diameter. So viewers, you can order this watch online in Pakistan by visiting our online watch store, watch100.pk. Also, you can send us a message on our WhatsApp number 031022333484 to inquire about this watch or any other Casio watch. And viewers, please subscribe to our YouTube channel watch100.pk to get notification and reviews of Casio and other brand watches. And if you like the video, please share. Thank you for watching.